that's the mud he was talking about. Okay. Man, these are awesome. I guess this place is way better than I remember, because I want to remember these trails, and I haven't been on these. Woo, floating. Oh, we got a little hill climb. Wow! That was a huge little jump up. That was sick. Get up here. Wait for them. Oh yeah. What do you think? This place is pretty sick? I like it, yeah. Do you have 3 jackets on? Holy shit.
I could probably take one off. I told you, man, I'm just cold natured.
Yeah.
I'm like one of those things in Florida where if it gets below 40, it falls out of the tree.
Yeah.
I just can't move. I can't function. I can't load bikes. I can't do anything in cold weather.
Huh?
Random. Who found a plug? He found a plug. You got it again? You got a new one in though? Yeah,
A lot of leaves up on this trail, which I remember the first time I ever came here when I was just riding for fun, not the race. It was like right when fall had started, and the trail was so covered in leaves. It was like hard to see where rocks were and stuff. Literally no clue where we are. I think we're on 1A or 1B, but yeah, really got no clue where we are here. Just kind of ripping along. Coming through. Had to duck under that tree there. If you're coming faster there, I'd take your freaking head off. Oh, he's gonna put your bike down a mountain. He's putting your bike down a mountain. No. Woo, going back down. Alright, I think we're about to spit out. I think that's like the parking area right down there. So I think we're close to getting back. That was a good little hour and a half or so trail ride. Gonna go back, gas up. I'm gonna see if I can't hit the hill climb. When we did the race last time, it wasn't a part of it when I did it, which I was kind of bummed about because this hill climb is fun as heck. So let's go see if we can't find the hill climb. Let's see, will this thing idle? Okay, idle's alright. It's just like when I have the clutch pulled all the way in, it's not all the way in. Woo! Here we go. Here's the hill climb. It's been a minute since I've hit this. Oh my god. Here we go. Alright, little jump, and then into the second half. Nice. Nice little test run. Hit it one more time and call it. Woo, woo, woo. Oh yeah, that was a fun little run. Woo! Alright y'all, well I think we're gonna go gas up, take a little break. I'm gonna end this video here, but be sure to subscribe and stay on the lookout for more brushy videos. I think I'm gonna try to, still got a bunch of time in the day left, so I think I'm gonna try to maybe see if I can hop on the KTM and or the beta, do a little video on those, and should have some more brushy content coming for you guys soon, so stay tuned.